Good day all pet patters. Today we're going to put some mesh here to give our dog security so that they won't be able to go out. Okay, before we're using cardboard, but because it's rainy season now, so we cannot afford that. So we're going to put mesh, okay, like this one, okay. So that our puppy won't be able to go out, okay. The puppy can go outside, okay. So we can lose we will lose a puppy if he go out from that hole, okay. So we need to secure our puppy, okay, our cute puppies, because we're not putting them on dish, okay. We are letting them to play, okay, because it's better for them. But when it rains, we put them in the cage, but the cage is too small for them already. So what we need is this one is a recyclable mesh, okay. We always recycle things, but we have this one, okay. And we have these nylon cable ties, okay. And of course we need scissors, pairs of scissors, okay. So we will secure this spot so our puppy will not be able to go out, okay. This is the finished product of what we did a while ago, okay. uh, the puppies are now secured. They won't be able to go out because we installed plastic mesh, okay. Hopefully they will not bite it, okay. See the puppy, they are happy. They always like to play, okay. That's why as much as possible we don't put them in the cage, and we always make them play, okay, enjoy playing. So now our gate is secured, and this one also, because the puppy can climb the stair, okay. So we put also plastic mesh upstairs, so hopefully they will not bite it. I used this cable tie, plastic cable tie, it's very helpful because it makes my putting this mesh very easy. I use a lot of plastic cable ties. See the puppy, the head can go out. If no mesh, the puppy can escape. And that's our video for today. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again on our next video. Bye bye.